what you eat or how much you eat. More than that, it is important that how much your body can digest the food. If your body can't digest the food properly, then what is the use of eating so much nutritious food? Because further it is going to turn into toxins only. So today we'll be discussing about acupressure points for indigestion. Hello, I'm Purvi Maru and I'm welcoming you all to my channel Food Health and Acupressure. Indigestion is a problem which everyone faces once in their lifetime. According to Ayurveda, 96% of the disease which we are facing are caused due to indigestion. Talking about symptoms, you may feel discomfort and upper abdominal pain. You may also feel abdominal distension or swelling in the abdomen. If you are feeling fullness after eating a little meal, then it is a sign of indigestion. Burning sensation in stomach or intestinal area can also be a reason of indigestion. You may also feel excessive gas, belching, bloating, nausea or vomiting like feeling. You may also feel that. Talking about causes, it may be a side effect of any kind of medication, or if you are smoking or drinking a lot, that can also cause this problem. GERD or acid reflux can also cause indigestion. It may be a cause of abnormalities in pancreas or bile duct. Now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. And you can see over here, this is my Instagram page. Do go and follow this page because on this page I share many acupressure points posts. Do check it out. So our acupressure point is on the front side of the hand. See, if we draw a straight line from the center of the middle finger and ring finger, if we draw a straight line from here till the wrist joint, so just above this wrist joint line, just above it, this is our point. This point is called as CV14, conceptive vessel meridian's 14 number point. Okay, let us know it again. If we draw a center line from our middle finger and ring finger straight down to the wrist joint, see, this is the wrist joint. Just above the wrist joint, this is our point. This point is called as CV14. So over here, what we will do, we will press this point for 1 to 2 minutes properly. Okay, press it properly for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we can do a seed therapy or magnet therapy on this point. For magnet therapy, we will take a paper tape and we will take a cluster magnet. If you are not having these magnets and if you want to buy them, then I have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets, jimmies and all these things which we use in acupressure are included in that kit. I have also made a video on it. You check it out, and if you want to buy it, you can definitely buy it from us. So on this point, we will apply one cluster magnet properly. This point is bilateral, that means you can treat it on both the hands. So do it, treat it on here also, okay? And if you are applying a magnet, you need to apply it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and can be used again. Magnets do not expire, they can be used for lifetime. And for seed therapy, we will take a paper tape and we will take fenugreek seed. So on a paper tape, we will apply one fenugreek seed and we will apply this seed on this point properly. So whenever you are applying a seed, do remember that after removing the seed, you need to throw the paper tape and the seed away. Do not use the same seeds again. So on the next day, you can take new paper tape and apply a new seed on it. Okay? Do this treatment daily, you will definitely find the result. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.